1.5 million employees, over 200 trusts. The UK's National Health Service is the largest single employer in Europe and one of the most extraordinary institutions. Like all large public systems, the NHS is navigating real financial and operational pressure.
Across the NHS, we're trying to transform patient care. I was having a conversation with someone who worked in the organisation, and they were describing real struggles in sort of the day-to-day processing of the organisation. It became clear to me in that conversation that automation would unlock that person's potential and the potential of the organisation.
University Hospitals of Leicester is one of the largest and busiest NHS trusts. 18,000 colleagues serving over 1 million people across 3 hospitals and 7 community sites. It is choosing to lead by doing something the NHS has rarely seen: a chief people officer and a chief digital officer building a new operational model together.
We firmly believe that healthcare is a team sport. I could see a vision to create an agentic colleague which would free up the capacity of the people within the team to do the work that only they could do.
We really needed to understand the process end to end, and that's been the difference for us in this project.
The agentic process automation is making their working life better.
So much administrative work has increased over the years, which now automation should help us with and reduce that burden. So it's going back to the old style of being a doctor for the patient.
Working with emerging technologies, not only how great is the tech, but also how much do you trust the people that you're working with? And for us, AA was the perfect partner.
I think by 2028, I want to be walking around the wards, the clinical environments, listening to people, seeing the smiles on their face, and they describing to me fundamentally how their jobs have changed.
This is what it looks like when a great institution decides to lead, and the team is here to show you how.